I bet you didn't know that mastering phonics sounds can totally transform the way you speak English. It's not just for kids learning to read, seriously. Phonics is all about connecting sounds with letters. Instead of memorizing whole words, you break them down into their tiniest sounds, called phonemes. Why does this matter? Because when you know the sounds, you can pronounce any word, even the tricky ones you've never seen before. Let's face it, English spelling is wild. But when you know PH says F or off can sound like off or ow, you start to crack the code. You'll notice your confidence shooting up, and people will actually understand you better. Phonics also helps your listening skills. Suddenly you catch those little differences in accents and words. Plus, it makes learning new vocabulary way less scary. So whether you're practicing for a big presentation or just want to sound more natural, phonics sounds are your secret weapon. Give it a try, and see just how clear your English can be.